Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the model, and we're going on with the 300 SL Gullwing from Mercedes. In the previous stages we've done quite an array of pretty big parts, as you can see. Right there. And we did the bumper in the first two, 5 and 6, and this we did in 7 and 8. I can't remember. Right in front of me I've got the next stage at the ready, and we're going on with that. That is stage number 9, as you can see right there. So let's get straight into this and do this beautiful build. Is that little thing? It is. We're getting that one out. Is it? No, we're getting the other one out. That one. Right there. This is where we can push it into with that thing down. So like so. And then we are going to put a CM in there. So Yurley is coming closer as well. There we go. That's on right there with that CM screw. And we get that one out, put that on there with an EP screw. There we go. Then we get that red distributor cap out and push that on like so. Like so. So we've got that little red thing there. Then we get that one out. And it's got some nice stickers here. And of course have a look at the orientation. And we're going to put some screws in there, which are the MPs. So that is now on and fully tightened. So we turn it around and we put those 3 silver oil filter caps in. All right there. And then we put these two together. Yeah, so to connect this one to those 2 points with those there with CM screws, and make sure I'll show you that. Make sure that that one is on the other side of that metal plate right there, because there it will connect. Okay, but let's get I think it's CM again. Yeah, 2 CM screws in. I don't know if I can fit them in from this side, but we'll try. Wow. You need a long a screwdriver with a long neck like that one to get these in. Alright, so this is not easy. As you can see, those 2 screws that are in there and on the other side there, really hard to put in. And let's put this aside for a moment. Wow, this is a hard engine to do. And get that one out and put these ones in like so. These are the spark plugs, if they will stay in. First one really did, second one as well, if you push it in properly. And that is what you should have. And on this end we put that one like so. Then we get that one out on the other side like so. So this is what we have. Let's see what we do with that. This is going to be the fiddly part. So we're going to this side. Wow, I think we need to put a little bit of glue on each. Oh, we push them in with those points, and then we push it on with those points into the engine, the top of the engine, with those 2 pins that we have right there. So right there and right there, and then everything sticks in pretty darn well and stays in pretty darn well. We need to get those onto those. First one is in. You need to get it with your with a tweezer and then try to push it over. and then we've pushed it over, it's in and it won't come out. And let's push this one in the middle, and that is all on. Let me put a little bit of my favorite glue into those points there, and I hope we don't have to take it out, otherwise it's not a problem, because this usually stays in pretty darn well. We've got one point right there. We're going to put this one in with that thing up. Now the thing is, we can always move it around, and that is this stage done. So there we go, the water pump and what was it? Alternator. There we go. These are the parts in stage number 10. So let's go on. So we get that one out. Then we get that one out. So we push these on, and that is what we should have. Have a good look at the picture, because the rings go this way, and then from the other side I think we're going to put an MP in there, and I was right, an MP screw, and you lead a long necked, and that is what we have. We put it on the part that we have here that we just made, we put on this side, and the other part we had we put on that side. So we've got the part that we've just made, and that part that's up to where my finger is now, put together like so. Then we take that one out and we put it onto that with the key pattern showing how you have to put it on, and I will put those on and I'll show you how the orientation is. And that is what we have, that to this side and that to the outside, because that's the alternator, and this side is the water pump, and this goes in here like so, and we screw in from this side with 2 screws. So let's get an screw out. Okay, we've just put that one in with the alternator on this side right here, and this is what we have at the moment. This is a pretty hefty engine, as you can see. So we're going to put that on that side carefully. That is it. Thank you very much for joining me again. This is a 3-part video, 2 parts per video, so hope you enjoyed it. 6 to 10, I think, 5 to 10, can't remember. Let's open it up. Yes, stages 5 to 10. So this is what we have to show for at the end of that. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you will join me next time, and have a look at my videos, and get me some beautiful views and likes. Thank you very much for that, and hope to see you next time. Bye bye.